Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to Myttre's kitchen. So today recipe is yet a special recipe. This is summer, so everybody knows mango is meant for summer. So today we are going to do sweet and spicy mango pickles. The main ingredients to do our sweet and spicy mango pickles are 1.5 cups of chopped mangoes washed and kept aside, melted jaggery which is strained and kept, followed with cumin seeds, mustard seeds, asafoetida, chili powder, salt, turmeric powder and chopped ginger. So let us get into our kitchen and let's see how do we do this yummy sweet and spicy mango pickles with gingerly oil. The first step to do our sweet and spicy mango pickle is I'm just adding 4 tablespoons of gingerly oil. If you do it with gingerly oil, it will have a very nice yummy taste. So please try doing with gingerly oil. So I've added 4 tablespoons of gingerly oil, followed with, we are going to start seasoning one by one of these said items. So starting with our mustard seeds, cumin seeds, everything is 1 tablespoon, followed with chopped ginger. You need to finely chop the ginger so that when kids are having, they don't feel the ginger is popping up. Followed with ginger, keep the gas in low flame, a pinch of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, followed with the required amount of salt, along with asafoetida. This is to enhance the smell and taste. Yes, so everything is done. We need to mix it well and ensure it doesn't get burnt. Keep on stirring it so that it doesn't get burnt, and at this moment we are going to add our chopped mango pieces into it. You need to keep on stirring until the mango is soft and tender, not to mix water at all. So we need to be here itself and keep stirring it so that the mango doesn't get burnt, else you will get a burnt pickle. So friends, you can find the mango pickle is soft. The mango pieces are soft and tender. You can very well find it here. When I just peel it with the stick, it just getting into pieces. So it is nicely cooked and it is soft. At this moment, we need to add our melted and strained jaggery water into it. So with this, our mango pickle, sweet and spicy, is ready for the day. Let me add the jaggery water. So for 1.5 cups of mango pickles, I have taken 1 cup of jaggery water. Yes. So we need to wait unless it's getting nicely textured with the jaggery water. If needed, we can close the lid and cook it for 5 minutes, and our spicy and sweet mango pickle will be ready for the day. So friends, you can find our yummy, tasty, sweet and spicy mango pickle is ready for the day. It's ready to be served hot. So friends, here goes our sweet and spicy mango pickles for the day. Please do try this recipe, watch my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel. We'll come up with another yummy recipe shortly. Happy cooking, stay safe, bye bye.